Hey! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down. Then click on password and security. Now you need to click on screen lock over here and tap on the best login method for you. Pattern, PIN or complex password. I will go with pattern. When you're ready, create your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then choose confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Finally, click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!